Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer and on the display it's giving you an EH2 error and you're wondering what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, what it is that the dryer is detecting that it's not getting the proper voltage that it needs to run properly. So it needs to get between 208 and 240 volts. So a couple things that you can do to check. First, you need to make sure that you're getting the right electricity to your dryer. So if you've got it on an extension cord or anything like that, you want to plug it in directly to the power source. And if you're on any kind of like home electrical system, like solar or anything like that, you want to make sure you're getting the right voltage. You'll need to check the outlet for between 208 and 240 volts. And fix whatever needs to be fixed in terms of the electricity getting to the dryer. Now, if you know that your dryer is getting correct electricity, but you're still getting this error, you're most likely having an issue with your control board, your electronic control board that is faulty, and that's why it's giving you this weird error. So if a hard restart doesn't clear this out and the problem persists, then you will need to proceed with a replacement of your control board, and I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a tutorial on how to change the control board on your dryer.